Anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today, guys. Next week is Yakala Ziaporoma Wednesday, 8 o'clock on Mzansi Magic. We are welcoming season 9 awards on Tembo. So, guys, the producers, we know, guys, I get it, the producers, they want to get viewers. So, they are currently busy, guys, giving us signal what to expect. Kule season you turn on Tembo season 9. So today they've posted Umakwela. This is what Makwela wanted, guys. They see her as a stranger. She went on again to say, I just want to belong, guys. So Umakwela wants the wives to accept her as wife number 5. Yakababa Mseleko, guys. Umakwela has done nothing wrong, guys. I don't know why people are throwing insult at him. She met a polygamous and agreed to marry one. That's it. Whether the wives want to accept it or not, they marry a polygamous. Therefore, they need to deal with the action. Yakababa Msele angithi nango umacele kwabanjalo. So I don't understand why people are saying ukuthi Umakwela, she was not supposed to get married to Baba Msele. Baba Msele has always wanted wife number 5 from season 2, guys. When we were introduced to Thando Tembo, Umasamsele has mentioned so many times ukuthi vele yena uyamfuna wife number 5. So people are throwing insult at Makwela. It is totally unfair, guys. So it is what it is. This is what we'll be expecting from Makwela, guys. I hope she will have a dinner. No Tobile, maybe no Mayeni. So on the trailer on the Thando Tembo season 9, she was complaining to Baba Mseleko, "Oh, Taibo, these wives, it's been almost 2 years. They are still angry at me for what?" So maybe this season we're gonna see a lot of Isaac Makwela and the other wives, Zaka Baba Mseleko. So it is what it is. Tell me in the conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday, happy 20.